this video, we're going to be talking about how to write ASOS reviews and earn points. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? Writing reviews on ASOS is a straightforward process designed to reward customer engagement, generally allowing you to earn points toward the ASOS World Loyalty Program. So all you need to do now is once your order has been received, ASOS will send an email with links to review the products you purchased. Alternatively, log in into your ASOS account and head into your profile and simply go ahead and click on my orders, and this is where you can see it. Click on the leave a review button, typically appears one day after the estimated delivery date. You could or you will be asked to rate the product, evaluate its size and quality, and write a few words about your experience. You can also ensure your review focuses on the product, it is consistent with the star rating, and is written in the same language as the website you shopped on. So in order to earn, you earn points for every purchase. So generally earning 1 point for every $1 spent or £1 spent. Keep an eye on the ASOS application, email, and social media for opportunities to earn extra bonus points, often through special offers. As you accumulate points, 150 plus for trendsetter, 300 plus for icon, 650 plus for a lister, you unlock higher tiers with better benefits. You can earn rewards by posting pictures of yourself wearing ASOS products on social media using the hashtag as seen on me, which pulls your content into the ASOS site. Occasionally, ASOS also runs specific promotions where leaving a review enters you into a drawing for prizes. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.